Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. I am sorry that I didn't have anything uploaded the last 2 days. As I've said, I'm in my glasses, so it's super hard to film makeup reviews when I can't really see what I'm doing. I don't have my glasses on right now, simply because it creates a glare with all this lighting, so I wanted to spare you guys from the blinding glare. So obviously I did my makeup with no glasses on. I have no idea how I look right now, so don't judge me too harshly. So instead of doing a makeup look, I am going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to unbox the Boxycharm May 2019 box. Now this box is definitely a lot smaller than my usual Boxycharm boxes. They're usually like at least, you know, 2 inches bigger. So that's very interesting that we're getting a smaller box, but you know, you can't judge a book by its cover, and the best things come in small boxes. So let me see what is in this box. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to look into is by Hello Fab. It is a coconut water cream. Obviously you're getting full size. It is 1.7 ounces. This guy retails for $34. It's pretty good. It's got skin nourishing coconut water. As I've said in previous videos, I'm pretty set on my skincare routine, so that's gonna get donated. Ooh, from Ciate, London, we have an eye luster creme or cream shadow in the shade Cupid. This retails for $22. Oh, that is pretty. It says use as an eye topper, over eyeshadow, or simply alone. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. That is so pretty. Keeping that one for sure. Okay, I know I'm gonna pronounce this wrong. It's from Oryza Beauty. It is an Opaline top gloss in the shade Champagne Cocktail. It retails for $14.99. Gonna donate this. Oh my gosh. And then from Pure, we have a really cool, like, monochromatic, I think that's what you would call it, monochromatic eyelash curler. This retails for $18. I do not have one of these. I haven't had one of these since high school. I've been wanting to try it and see what it does, and I kind of like that this inside here is black and not white. That way it doesn't look so messy. And then the last thing is from Alamar Cosmetics. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. It is the Colorete Blush Trio. Oh, it is sealed. You can get in here. So this is medium tan is what it says on the back. It retails for $22. Definitely giving this one away. They're so pretty though. So let's total up the price here like I always do. So $111 worth of product. What do I think about this month? I'm slightly torn because while out of 5 products, I'm really not excited about 3 of them. I'm excited about the eye cream shadow and the eyelash curler. So I guess it's kind of give and take. If you are in need of some face lotion, an eyelash curler, some blush, you want a really cool cream eyeshadow. Oh, it says it's lightweight and fallout free. Very cool. Then I would get this box. But if it wasn't for this guy, I would say this month is a pass. So for me, this is kind of a toss-up. I guess it is your call if you should get it or not. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.